Welcome to Brownlows. We have a new addition today, Ford Tourneo Custom van, motorability access, 4-seater, electric side steps to help you get in and out. It's 17,995, no VAT, it's a turbo diesel, 6-speed manual, just coming to stock, finished off in blue metallic. Car will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisory and a 3-month warranty as standard. Inside the van we have the full velour trim with the armrests, Apple CarPlay, 6-speed manual gearbox. This car has electric windows, auto lights, auto wipers, cruise control, dual climate control. Really good specification on this van. It has the motorability access to the rear with a ramp, electric ramp as well. Like I say, the car comes with 12 months MOT with no advisories. Come and see Dave at Brownlow Cars.
Deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.